Attorneys are reluctant to adopt technology, and our legal team was no different. In order to be a really modern and efficient legal in-house team, you need to be adaptable. You need to find ways to improve your processes and being efficient with your time. My name is Olivier Manigat. I'm a Vice President and Associate General Counsel at MillerKnoll. MillerKnoll is a global leader in modern design. We have beautiful products that show up in your house, in your office, and multiple spaces. And some of our well-known brands are Herman Miller and Knoll and Design Within Reach. The legal team is part of the overall business, so everybody had to play a part in figuring out where can you maximize your spend? How can you improve your relationships with your suppliers? And I really feel that going through a really efficient, streamlined, robust process allows you to quickly identify the right partners and really allows us to continue to kind of provide sort of that best-in-class service that we're known for at MillerKnoll. When you go through an RFP process, and you get responses back from law firms, it's surprising sometimes how some of the data you receive back can differ from law firm to law firm. When you use that data, you're able to better evaluate who you work with, and once you engage them, you're able to more easily go back to that data and make sure that the service that you're getting, the performance you're getting, meets data points that you had focused on in that process. PERSUIT has allowed us or helped us manage legal spend because we're clear on and we know how much we're going to spend on a project, on a matter, on an initiative, and that really sort of removes sort of the guessing in legal spend. DI is very important for MillerKnoll. It's part of our ethos. It's part of what attracts me the most about working at MillerKnoll. We want our associates, our employees, and also the suppliers that we work with to reflect the world that we live in. We also really embrace and want diversity of thought. We want to make sure that we're getting the best legal advice at the best price, but we also want to make sure that law firms understand and know that when it comes to staffing on projects, on initiatives, on providing service, that we are going to look at the DEI metrics as an important factor in our decision making. We found low-hanging fruit and opportunity was to improve how we engage with outside counsel. And for us, we found it was a really simple opportunity to not only free us up and having more time to focus on more strategic initiatives, but really show value to the finance team, the procurement team, to leadership, that a traditional cost center like legal can actually bring value to an organization. The implementation process for PERSUIT was very smooth. Very easy. The tool and its functionality, it's great. It's easy to use, easy to understand, but what I was most impressed by is how dedicated everybody that I've interacted with on making sure that we're successful in our use of the tool. They're passionate about our business, and they are true strategic partners.